Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on PNUT. On a daily time frame chart, the price of PNUT has broken out this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that for the past several weeks, since after 10th of May 2025, it was moving inside this wedge, and after getting squeezed, finally we broke it out, and now it is forming higher highs and higher lows, and this time it has broken out this very strong and long-term resistance of 31 cents that was previously breaking at the resistance here, support here, and now for the past several days, it was again breaking at a very, very strong resistance. And now after the breakout, it can break at a strong support. And here, by the way, it was also breaking at a resistance in the month of Feb 2025. At that time, it was moving inside in another very, very huge falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for PNUT that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And this move has produced very nice pump. And I would also like to share with you some more trade setups because this month, I shared several trade setups for PNUT. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for PNUT that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that was a bullish reversal setup, a harmonic bullish reversal guard move that PNUT completed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. The buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up. First, it again re-entered the buying zone here, then moved up and reached the sell target zone here. Within a few hours, you can see that this pump is produced. And now let's move to the previous one. And this move I shared a few days ago, almost 5 days ago with my members. And by the way, this move produced almost 22% pump. And this was another bullish garland move that PNUT completed on a 2 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. The buying's on, sell target's on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and reached the sell target zone, even rallied beyond the sell target zone. And before that, we got almost 62% pump, very, very massive pump. And this move I also shared a few days ago on 8th of July 2025 with my members. And this was a bullish butterfly move that PNUT completed on a 2 hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. It buys on, sell targets on the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very, very massive reversal. First, it again dropped down, re-entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very massive reversal. And so far, it has rallied more than 62%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of PNUT. And first of all, let me show you this recent breakout from this wedge. You can see that since after 9th of May 2025, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed, finally, we broke out the resistance. And after that, we had a nice pump. If I place this measurement tool, then you can see that from this to here, so far, it has pumped almost. Let me place it once again. From this low to here, it has pumped almost 87.6%. And during this rally recently, we have broken out another very significant and strong resistance of 31 cents. You can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was working at the resistance and support here and resistance here in the month of Feb 2025 as well. Now, the next upcoming resistance is here at 50 cents. That is also the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that when we broke out this previous falling wedge pattern, we had a nice pump. That was another very nice pump, by the way. You can see that from this low to here, it was almost 300% pump. But the price line got rejected by this 50 cents resistance, and previously this 50 cents was working as a support. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of PNUT. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $2.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.